let's talk about how to make some really cool outline letters. Back to school. Here we go. First, I'm writing my word in yellow. That's super important. And I'm also spacing out the letters. So I wrote it in yellow. Then I'm going to take my fine point Sharpie. It's nice that it has just a pointed tip. I'm going to outline. So just make a nice smooth line. Stop. Little tab. And then when you go around a curve, just kind of breathe out. 1, take a break. 2, take a break. And then down, around, down, around. Isn't that great? See how you're getting it? Same thing with the A. Draw the first line and take a break, and then whoosh, down you go. Back over, down, down. Make sure everything connects. Bam. I think it looks better if when you go down, you don't have a little white gap. There's this little yellow that's popping over, so I'm gonna outline that as well. And then for our C, you just have to slowly and mindfully go around. Slowly and mindfully go around. One of the tricks that I'm doing as I'm drawing these things, this black outline, is I'm looking for this little itty bitty area of white space. So I'm trying to keep this consistent amount of white space between the yellow and the drawing line I'm going to make. So my eye is kind of visually looking, seeing where those dotted lines are. I'm visually trying to keep this space, the white space in between the black and the yellow, as consistently the same. And that, my friend, just takes practice. Boom, 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 down. And depending on if you see how I turned the paper? Because it's easier for me to pull this like this direction towards me than it is to make a curved line going away from you. And then bam. So that's how this works. And then as you get good at this, pretty soon you'll be able to just make some of these letters on your own, because once you've sort of memorized the shape of this outline, you'll be able to do it on your own. But for starters, just go ahead and fill out the whole thing. So get yourself a light colored marker, write the words, and then outline them with a darker color. And then if you had this on a poster, for example, and it was kind of far away from you, the yellow, especially if it's a light yellow, it doesn't even really show up. So no one will know about this secret tip. So that's the plan. Back to school, people. Oh, look, I forgot this one here. Bingo. All right, there you have it. And a little happy smiley face for you. Okay, test it out. Let me know how it goes.